Don't you just love the smell of car parts? Let's get it. What's up, guys? It is December 2020. I don't know what day it is anymore. I just know that some days packages come and some days packages don't come. So today packages came, and today that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be unboxing some things. So I got a few items for the WRX and for the TC. This one is more of a tool that you guys could buy. I can put the link down in the description below. Yeah, you guys can click on that and go buy it. Let's see what it looks like. Handy dandy hospital incision knife. Always cut away from yourself. We all know that, right? Yeah, we're good? Okay, cut away from yourself. Alright. And we got an OBD2 reader by AutoFix. So you guys can read that. Let's see, this one was a decent price, and it does a lot of things. One, you can check your codes. Two, you can clear codes. I'm after the clearing codes after I figure out what's wrong with it and stuff like that. Especially when you go catless, you run into a lot of check engine lights. WRX is catless and the TC is catless. There's little ways around it. For the WRX, you can tune it out. For the TC, you can run a check engine light eliminator. So let's just open this. I'm pretty bad at opening this stuff. Toss things around. Comes with a little manual. I'm sure I'll be reading that. And when you guys are wondering what it looks like, there it is. Nice. Got the OBD2. It's got nice, and it's really, it's oh sweet. This is actually like a little case for it. Nice. Oh, and it comes with a cable to plug into your computer to run your diagnostic codes. That'd be that. I guess. I'm not sure. Once I read the instructions, I will know better. So this is nice. It's made in China, but I gotta say it's a nice feel to it, nice finish, and looks really durable. So we're gonna be fixing things next. Another box. It's car parts, so I know nothing's gonna break in there. I already got all the LED light bulbs, so it's not that. Again, cut away from yourselves. Alright, peep the shirt, guys. It says, straight out of money because of car parts. So in this box, we have some things that we need for the, for the exhaust. We got some gaskets because I got the exhaust off of a friend of mine, and I'll link his Instagram there or somewhere around here. And you know, it's a used exhaust, so I wasn't expecting to get the gaskets. So we got some gaskets. These look nice. These will definitely work. These are 3-inch. Some nice gaskets. Again, off of Amazon. I could link it below in the description. And I didn't have any bolts either for the exhaust, so I went ahead and bought some nice exhaust bolts. These will do the trick. Sweet. And now for what you guys have been wanting to see. This bad boy. Trying to show my address here. What's up? Heard you guys like car parts. So again, cutting away from yourself. There we go. Maybe I should go overhead. Do an overhead? Overhead. Alright, so hopefully there's enough light here, not my shadow. Let's see. Guys, you know we all buy stuff for stickers, right? Nice. Let's go ahead and fold this down so you guys can see everything. Yeah. Some instructions here, and you know, I was looking for a license plate. This will work, a license plate cover. Nice. All right, looks like we got some zip tie, little spacer. Let's go ahead and open this. Oh God, I'm so stoked. You know, I've never had an AEM intake. I've always just done, actually all the cars have intakes, they just have different brands. The TC had Fujita F5 at one point, and then we went to, oh, these are nice. And then we went to what I have now, which is a HPS. That exhaust is, not that exhaust, that intake has been pretty sweet. So these are nice. That's nice. Not sure what that is for, but looks like we got the spacer for the installation, bolts. Look, it comes with everything. This is sweet. Made in USA, so you know it's good. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh my goodness. All right, these guys, packaging 10 out of 10. This is nice, and it showed up fairly quickly. Guys, it's been Christmas every single day since I got the WRX. I mean, careful not to scratch the finish here. Oh my gosh. That's what I'm talking about. Oh man. Look at that. I'm not usually a chrome person, but because of the colors that we're doing, we decided to go chrome. The welds look nice. Nice. Yep. Put that off to the side. Oh, nice rubber coupler. And this is a oilless filter, which is pretty sweet. Oh baby. Oh man, look at this beauty. Beautiful. Dry flow. Nice. Let's that's everything. Switch back to the other camera in 3, 2. All right, so that's a kind of a quick unboxing there. Let's see. Yeah. So this is a dry filter. So what that means is that you don't have to add oil like some other filters require you to do. The one that I have on the TC does require oil, so you have to wash it. I mean, all these are washable, which is great, which is the whole reason why you get an intake. Well, one of the reasons. I went with a short ram because it rains a lot around here in the Pacific Northwest, and I also got rid of the fender liners just because when you go low, we're gonna go low, but when you go low, you run into fitment issues, a tire starts rubbing somewhere, and one less thing to do. Plus, you can reach in there and fix things quickly, one less thing to take apart. Plus, I have another little thing we're doing with the car, and it helps to not have any of the plastics underneath. So you'll see, stay tuned. So yeah, AEM, you guys killed it. This is nice, this is awesome. I'm super stoked. You know, let's just go straight to the install video. I think that should take like a total of 5, maybe 10 minutes. Hey, you guys made it to the end of the video. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up. If you learned something, leave a thumbs up. Watch these other videos I got. I have more content coming. I know it's been taking me a while to get them out, but they're coming. They're coming. Go ahead and ask me questions or leave a meme, whatever you want to do. Have a nice day, guys.